Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting prerequisites out of the way and launching the installer. Make sure your machine is 64-bit with at least 8 GB RAM and 10 GB free. Once downloaded, verify the checksum so you avoid corrupted files, then run the Meerkat installer. Choose the bundled JDK unless you need a specific version. If so, set Java Home to that JDK. Follow prompts for standard components so the IDE, SDK, and command line tools install together, and keep defaults where unsure. Once done with installation, configure the SDK and essential plugins so your projects build reliably. Open SDK Manager and install the API levels and emulator system images you need. Include platform tools and NDK if using native code. Make sure the SDK path is correct in settings and enable auto-update for SDK tools to avoid future breakage. Install Kotlin and Jetpack Compose support plus any Meerkat-specific plugins. Restart the IDE to apply. You finish by validating the setup with a sample project and an emulator or device. Create a new project using the Meerkat template or an empty activity, then run it on an AVD to confirm Gradle builds and the emulator boots. If build or sync errors appear, read the build output and logcat for clues. Try invalidating caches and restarting the IDE, then reinstall only the failing SDK components or update Gradle plugin versions. That usually resolves mismatched dependency or cache corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.